How do I check if my Samsung Smart TV is compatible with APK Files?
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to find out how to check if your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with APK Files. This is crucial information for anyone looking to customize their Smart TV experience.
What are APK Files?
Before we dive into the compatibility check, let's understand what APK files are. APK, short for Android Package Kit, is the file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware. Basically, they're like the .x files used to install software on Windows.
Is my Samsung Smart TV Android-based?
Before determining APK compatibility, you need to determine if your Samsung Smart TV is Android-based. Samsung usually uses its own operating system for smart TVs, called Tizen, which doesn't natively support APK files. To verify this, navigate to the About TV or TV Information section in your Smart TV settings. If your TV runs on Android, it'll be clearly stated here.
Can I install APK files on a non-Android Samsung Smart TV?
If you found out that your TV isn't Android-based, you might be wondering, can I still install APK files? The short answer is, it's complicated. Some workarounds might allow you to install Android apps on a Tizen-based Samsung Smart TV, but they are complex, risky, and may void your warranty. In summary, the best way to check if your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with APK files is to check whether it's Android-based or not. If it isn't, it's likely not worth the risk and complexity to attempt installing APK files on your TV. If you're keen on using Android apps on your TV, consider an Android TV box or Chromecast with Google TV. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech insights and tips.